Welcome to this stunning spacious tiny home on wheels. Designed for comfort and style, this home features a large window that brings in natural light and sliding door that seamlessly connect the indoors to a beautiful wooden deck perfect for relaxing in nature. Surrounded by a lush green forest, this tiny home offers the ultimate escape to tranquility. Ready for a tour? Let's step inside and explore. Welcome to this beautifully designed tiny home, where the smart space optimized meets luxurious and comfort. Despite its compact size, this home is thoughtfully designed to provide a spacious and cozy living experience. With a loft bed, luxury kitchen, a dedicated work desk area, and a small yet comfortable couch, this tiny home proves that small space can still feel big. And one of the standout features of this tiny home is the spacious loft bed, providing a comfortable sleeping area without taking up valuable floor space. The loft is easily accessible via a stylish and functional staircase, which also includes hidden storage compartment perfect for keeping the space clutter-free. The elevated design creates a sense of privacy while maintaining an open, airy feel. Whether you are resting after a long day or simply unwinding with a book, this love bed offers the ultimate cozy retreat. No tiny home is complete without a well-designed kitchen, and this one is nothing short of luxurious. Despite its compact size, it features high-end finish, sleek countertops, modern appliances, and smart storage solution. The kitchen includes a stainless steel sink, induction stove, mini fridge, and cabinets designed to maximize space while keeping everything organized. Whether you are cooking a simple meal or preparing a gourmet dish, this kitchen is built to handle it all. In today's world, having a dedicated workspace is essential if even in a tiny home. This home includes a built-in work desk area, making it the perfect place to get things done, work remotely, or enjoy creativity project. And the desk is positioned near a large window, allowing plenty of natural light to create a productive and inspiring atmosphere. With smart shelving and a comfortable chair, this workspace proves that tiny living doesn't mean sacrificing efficiency. Just small because it's tiny home does not mean give you can have a comfortable space to relax. The small but cozy couch is positioned perfect within the layout, making it a great spot to sit back, enjoy a coffee, read a book, or watch TV. Designed for both function and style, this sitting area blends seamlessly with the overall aesthetic of the home. With its spacious loft bed, luxury kitchen, work desk area, and cozy couch, this tiny home offers a balanced mix of practicality and elegance. Every inch of space has been carefully designed to maximize comfort without compromising on style. Whether you are looking for a full-time home, a weekend getaway, or a mobile office, this tiny home proves that small space can still be luxurious. This beautifully designed modern compact bathroom where style meets functionality in a small yet luxurious space, designed with efficiency and comfort in mind. This bathroom is proof that even the tiniest space can feel spacious and elegant. With a toilet, shower cabin, wash basin with mirror, and an exhaust fan, every feature is carefully chosen to maximize usability while maintaining a sleek aesthetic. From the moment you step inside, you will notice how bright and airy this bathroom feels. The white walls with wooden accent create a perfect balance of modern minimalism and natural warmth, making the space feel inviting. The wooden flooring adds an extra touch of coziness, bringing a spa-like feel to the bathroom. The sleek space, the sleek space-saving toilet sits perfectly within the layout, blending seamlessly with the bathroom's design. Its efficient water-saving system ensures sustainability without compromising on comfort. Despite its compact size, it offers the same level of convenience as a full-size bathroom. The shower cabin is designed with modern glass panels, making the space look larger while keeping water contained. The adjustable shower head provides the perfect water flow, ensuring a refreshing and spa-like shower experience. The glass door maintains the bathroom's open feel while adding a luxurious touch. A well-placed wash basin with a stylish mirror makes the space both practical and visually appealing. The minimalistic countertop allows for easy organization, and the mirror helps reflect natural light, making the bathroom feel more spacious. To ensure good ventilation and prevent moisture buildup, the exhaust fan works efficiently to keep the bathroom fresh and dry. Combined with the window that allows natural light and airflow, the space remains comfortable all day long. With its modern aesthetic, specific feature, and luxurious touch, this compact bathroom proves that you don't need a huge space to enjoy comfort and style. Whether it's part of a tiny home or minimalist apartment, this bathroom design offers a perfect blend of elegance and functionality. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now, only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and inspiration. So, what you would you live to this tiny home like this? Let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And thanks for watching until the end, and just wait for our incredible tiny home in the next content. Thank you.